Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this helpful tutorial, we will learn how to insert a blank page before your current page in Microsoft Word quickly and correctly. This is useful when you need to add a cover page, title page, separator page or extra page before an existing section without distributing your document formatting. Many users simply press enter multiple times when can break layout, shift content or create inconsistent spacing. In this video we will learn clean and professional method to insert a blank page exactly where you want it. So let's get started. We can see here many page. Now I add blank page before the current page. Here the current page, now I added the blank page on the before. Now you want to add blank page before the current page. Obviously select the first of the page, otherwise you can add the page on next page, click the last. Now I am make in before, then click the first of the page, go to the insert menu and we can see here the page break is after creating a blank page and the blank page is before creating a blank page. Obviously you can select the first of the page, click the blank page option. We can see here the text and the blank page before to this current page. Now I create again. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.